viewers, once again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at parts of the weld joint. Basically we have two most common types of weld joint. We have what we call the fillet weld joint, and we have what we call the groove weld joint. The fillet weld joint is said to be when two pieces of metal meet at right angle to each other, perpendicular to each other, and in doing so, they form a T or an L shape. So there we have a fillet weld joint. Diagrammatically, this is what we mean. When we have two pieces of metal, this is one piece of metal, and this is the case of the metal. Then you have another piece of metal coming together in this form. And this angle here is what? United with the perpendicular to each other. So the edge of this metal is looking at the face of this metal. So we form a T shape or an L shape. So you have another piece of metal coming this way. Then you have one piece of metal coming this way. So these are examples of a fillet weld joint. So two pieces of metal meeting at right angle to each other, and in doing so we form a T or an L shape. That's the fillet weld joint. Now for the fillet weld joint, basically you do not require any form of edge preparation. Unlike the groove weld joint. In the groove weld joint, it is necessary for you to do a kind of chamfering, polish beveling, where you hit part of the edge of the base metal, and in doing that, you form a shape. You form either a V shape or a U shape or a J shape. And the essence of this grooving is for you to be able to achieve penetration. Now this is what we mean by that. Before, this pipe is like this. The edge of this pipe is like this. But if you look at this point, it has been beveled. And so we have a groove on it now. So in essence, we are going to be looking at parts of this weld joint where it has been beveled. Because it is necessary for you to arrange this weld joint with this part. They all have their idea, they all have the reason why they are here, they are prepared in that way. So diagrammatically, this is the representation of a big groove. This is the representation of a big groove. Diagrammatically. So this is the representation of a big groove. So we want to look at parts of this now. So this single big groove. That's the So we have this part this way. We have this. This is known as the groove angle. Why this is known as the bevel angle. Why this is known as the groove face. Why this is known as the root opening or the gap. Why this here is known as the root face. So if I we are saying that under the parts of the weld joint, we have one, the root face, we have two, the root opening, we have three, We have the groove face. We have 4. We have what we call the joint angle, comprising of the bevel angle, which in most cases is between 25 to 35 degrees. Then we have the groove angle, which in most cases is between 50 degrees to 70 degrees. 50 degrees to 70 degrees. So these are the parts of weld. Now let me show you what I mean. This diagram you're seeing here now, this diagram you're seeing on this board now, is a representation of this. You have these 2 pieces of pipe, and then you have this. You can see the shape here, the V shape here. Can you see the V shape here? You can see the V shape here now. So this V shape here now is what we're seeing here now. So this piece of pipe, you can liken it to this one, and this piece of pipe, you can liken it to this one. And then you have V shape. So now, it has parts. It has parts. So I want to identify that those parts, not after in order. Now, in this case, we talk about the root face. We say the root face is the edge of the base metal that forms the root of the joint and is filled by the first weld pass. The root face is the edge of the base metal that forms the root of the joint and is filled by the first weld pass. Now, to identify this diagram, you can see this angle. So the root face is between this spot here to this spot here. Now, on this piece of pipe, this is the root face. Please show them so that you see. This is the root face. You can see this edge here now. You can see this spot here now. This is the root face. And so for most carbon steel application, the root face is limited to 1/8 inch. So this is the root face. It forms the edge of the base metal where the root, where the first weld pass lands. So the root opening is simply a gap that is left between the root faces. So you add a root face here, you have another root face here, then you add a gap in between them. This gap is what is called the root opening. And the size of this gap is determined by the thickness of this piece of metal. Of course, you know that when you sheet metal, you know that you don't need the root opening. You just cross them together. Now, the groove face is the part that has been chamfered off during air separation to give you a V shape, a U shape, or a J shape, as the case may be. That's the groove face. Now, the joint angle talks about the angles of these joints. So on this joint, we have 2 angles. We have one for the bevel angle and we have one for the groove angle. So the bevel angle is the angle at which the chamfering is being done. The beveling is being done. And so we say the bevel angle is being raised from 25 to 35 degrees. While the groove angle is the angle of the sum of the bevel angle. That's when you add these 2 bevel angles together, you have the angle. So now, on this piece of metal now, I've showed you the root face. So this is the root face. Here now, you can see this spot is the root face. But this here is what is called the groove face, where the chamfering is being done. All this spot now is the groove face. So, but when you bring these 2 pieces of metal together now, this gap that is left in between them, this gap, when you leave a gap in between them, is what is called the root opening. And this gap is left so that you can be able to achieve penetration. You understand? So the angle at which this groove face is achieved is what is called the joint angle. Why? The sum of the 2 angles, the sum of these 2 angles now is what is called the groove angle. So these are parts of the weld joint. I know you've learned the lesson from our tutorial today. I'd like to encourage you to please like the video. I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. And please remember to subscribe, and you can share and invite your friends who this tutorial might be of interest. Thank you very much, and then see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.